my name is Upma Saxena. I'm the educationist and I'm very much impressed with the topic raised here with Learning Olympiad, because cyber safety in general everybody is talking, and most of the school they are using the cyber, all the internet and Wi-Fi. They are providing it freely to the children. They are conducting even digital class, but still they don't think about the damage they are doing. We first tell there was a one thing at what level the child should be aware with the cyber safety. So my opinion is the day we give a child to use any digital thing, we have to tell first the safety devices, because children start learning so quickly and so many things, and later on explaining this thing, this is wrong and this is not your property, they get very confused what is a wrong in downloading a picture or a song. They don't understand when the plenty of the thing is lying there, why they can't pick it. So these things we should, because they have already done so many crimes, then there is no use of telling them this is not, you are violating the copyright. And we start introducing this copyright violation to the children 6+, but we give the digital thing to the children right from 3rd class onward to handle the things. And I'm sure, because the parents keep coming to us, so they give to us young as the 4+ and all. The child access so many things, the child has his own folder. So this is a time to get very aware, because this is a very grave thing. And children, who started bullied by these cyber crime, they are so much troubled. They just think of committing suicide. They don't know how to do, because it's a very thing. It is foreign softwares or foreign apps, and India doesn't have much control. But the embarrassment and all the thing a child face, only then it know that how much. And there's sometimes we never know, but a child is being disappointed because of these things. So it is really, it's a very nice thing. They have started talking about the school scenario. So I just encourage. Thank you so much.